Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. I am feeling sick. I am feeling sick. Are you coming today? Are you coming today? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. I love my work. I love my work. I live nearby. I live nearby. What do you do? What do you do? Where do you work? Where do you work? Can I call you tomorrow? Can I call you tomorrow? Do you need help? Do you need help? I need some help with this, please. I need some help with this, please. Can you call the cops? Can you call the cops? Do you want to eat lunch? Do you want to eat lunch? Do you want to watch a movie? Do you want to watch a movie? I watch a lot of movies. I watch a lot of movies. Have you seen that movie? Have you seen that movie? Can we meet? Can we meet? I need to go to a doctor. I need to go to a doctor. I will be staying at a hotel. I will be staying at a hotel. Can I stay with you? Can I stay with you? Do you have children? Do you have children? I am new to the city. I am new to the city. I am traveling for work. I am traveling for work. When will you come back? When will you come back? I will be back in a few days. I will be back in a few days. That's not a problem. That's not a problem. I will be happy to do that. I will be happy to do that. I am very sorry to hear that. I am very sorry to hear that. I did not mean to say that. I did not mean to say that. Do you know how to drive? Do you know how to drive? I will try to complete this soon. I will try to complete this soon. Can I call you next week? Can I call you next week? Can I get your phone number? Can I get your phone number? What is your email address? What is your email address? Is it okay if I call you tomorrow? Is it okay if I call you tomorrow? Can you help me get a job? Can you help me get a job? Can you send me an email? Can you send me an email? I made a mistake, sorry. I made a mistake, sorry. Should we talk about this? Should we talk about this? Do you want to come shopping with me? Do you want to come shopping with me? Are you available now? Are you available now? I am not sure about that. I am not sure about that. You look very good today. You look very good today. Do you know someone there? Do you know someone there? I really need this job. I really need this job. I will give it my best. I will give it my best. Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question? This will be a game changer. This will be a game changer. I will finish this as soon as possible. I will finish this as soon as possible. I am traveling alone. I am traveling alone. I can't find my phone. I can't find my phone. I don't think it's fair. I don't think it's fair. I can check on that for you. I can check on that for you. I am the perfect candidate for this job. I am the perfect candidate for this job. You will not regret hiring me. You will not regret hiring me. Could you wait a moment, please? Could you wait a moment, please? Did you take your pills? Did you take your pills? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? How old are you? How old are you? I am feeling very tired. I am feeling very tired. Will you come with me? Will you come with me? Don't take it seriously. Don't take it seriously. I will take care of that. I will take care of that. Is this really necessary? Is this really necessary? I will need it as soon as possible. I will need it as soon as possible. Can you please hurry up? Can you please hurry up? Are you on Instagram? Are you on Instagram? Did you like the movie? Did you like the movie? Why are you angry with me? Why are you angry with me? I am going to the game. I am going to the game. I am going to propose to her. I am going to propose to her. We broke up. We broke up. I am not seeing anyone. I am not seeing anyone. I am seeing someone. I am seeing someone. It's not that simple. It's not that simple. I am really sorry. I am really sorry. Let's take it up offline. Let's take it up offline. I would like a refund, please. I would like a refund, please. I have some good news. I have some good news. Please accept my deepest condolences. Please accept my deepest condolences. When is the funeral? When is the funeral? Why didn't you tell me before? Why didn't you tell me before? I will be happy to help you. I will be happy to help you. I really like those shoes. I really like those shoes. I really like you. I really like you. I need some advice. I need some advice. Can I use the restroom? Can I use the restroom? Is this chair taken? Is this chair taken? Let's connect next week. Let's connect next week. I got a traffic ticket. I got a traffic ticket. Don't speak to me like that. Don't speak to me like that. Do you have Wi-Fi here? Do you have Wi-Fi here? I feel much better today. I feel much better today. I'm so sorry to hear that. I'm so sorry to hear that. That's not good advice. That's not good advice. I'm sorry I am late. I'm sorry I am late. I am not comfortable here. I am not comfortable here. Do you have a phone charger? Do you have a phone charger? Can you call me an Uber? Can you call me an Uber?